guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about Vestas Wind Systems. When we say Vestas Wind Systems, this is a company whereby they integrate and then they install and sell wind turbines. Yes, so they need partners or people that will come on board and their system and then help them, spread the word about their websites to make more sales. Okay, so something more or less like merchants. Yeah, so the registration link is in the description of this video. Kindly go there, you find it there. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, you can find my Telegram channel in the description of the video as well. Join my group and then you'll find out other ways to earn money. Okay, quickly fill in your email address here, your password, and then this is my invitation code 8905662 8905262. Kindly use this invitation code when you're registering. If you are done, you just click on sign up and it opens the page for you. It tells you more about Vestas.com, talking about the initial deposit and then commissions and whatnot. So we are aware that the minimum deposit is 4.5 USDT and minimum withdrawal is 1 USD. Take note that we are making use of the USDT TRC20 here, or TRX currency, and then just newly launched the BNB, the Binance Chain currency as well. You can use that. And then the profit time every day is 1 p.m. Singapore time. So 1 p.m. every day you are eligible to perform your tax and then earn your profit. So you can quickly read this to learn more about this website. So I just click on close, and then this is the dashboard page here. You can see the various VIP levels there. You can see people already making deposits here. We have a regulatory authority here as well. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so you need to recharge. So how do you recharge? You tap on recharge here. You can see the various deposits mediums here: TRC20, TRX, PEP20, and then the BNB. So we're making use of the TRC20. So we tap on TRC20 here. The deposit address comes, we just copy it, and then we'll go to our exchange wallet and make the payment of 4.5 USDT, which is the minimum deposit amount. When we make the payment, you tap on recharge completed, and then you go back. So when you go back, you just need to click on me, and then you refresh your page for your deposit to be completed. Okay, let's refresh our dashboard. The 4.5 USDT that we deposited has been successfully credited. So what do we do next now? We just need to click on tax. So we can see in progress. You tap on to complete. Give it some few seconds to load and you'll be credited instantly. Okay, so if you move to completed now, you can see that we successfully completed the taxes. So let's go back to me. You see we have 6 USDT there now. So we have been credited. So we are eligible to make our withdrawals. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So we tap on withdraw. So you can see it here, 1.5 USDT. So when you deposit 4.5 USDT, you are eligible to withdraw 1.5 USDT daily, every 24 hours. So you input the amount here, your withdrawal wallet address, you input it there, and your password as well. Then you confirm to make your withdrawal. We have inputted our details here, so we just click on confirm. Give some time, and you can see our withdrawal is successful. So when we go back, we realize that our balance has been reduced back to 4.5 USDT. So you click on financial records, you'd find the withdrawal here. So guys, that is it about how to register on Vestas.com, how to register, how to recharge, and how to register, how to recharge, how to perform tax, and how to make your withdrawals. It's so easy, guys. We also have if you want to earn more money, you just need to share a referral link with your friends out there. I'll teach you how to do that right now. Okay, so we just tap on team, and then we can find the referral dashboard here. So you can copy your registration link here, the referral link here, and then share it on your social media handles. Anyone who joins you would be under your level 1, and you will receive 9% commission of whatever amount he or she deposits. Then we have level 2, you also receive 2%, and level 3, 2%. So this is another way to make money so fast or quick by sharing a referral link to people, friends, family, and loved ones out there on social media. So guys, that's just it about Vestas.com. If you don't understand anything, you can ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, hit the like button and you know, share this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.